the show dates from the 9th to the 13th of July. With the main focus for the current show, we're looking at sustainability, resilience, as well as adaptability. Those are the key things that we seek, again, to address as we run our show based again on our theme. This morning, we further engaged the county leadership, again, to look at various and explore various strategic partnership initiatives that we've agreed in terms of how us as ASK collaborate with the county government, the county leadership, just to ensure we present a bigger and a better show. Looking at the numbers, and again, out of the briefs that we got this morning, is that confirmations running towards about 100 exhibitors, compared to about 65 in the previous year. Looking at the numbers and just that growth that I've just mentioned, then it means that we'll draw quite a number of new exhibitors, and out of our marketing efforts, and again, the solutions that we bring to the people of Kisii County, then we anticipate, and this region at large, we anticipate huge participation. We've looked at, again, the initiatives that we put in place, again, as a branch in this region, led by our chair. And again, in terms of the numbers, probably we project through the gates, we'll run with more than 30 to 40% increase.
Timu ya mwaka huu ni kuangalia mambo ya climate change na vile ambavyo tutaweza kulima na kupata mazao ya chakula na vile kujiendelesha kibiashara. Kwa hivyo njooni nyote tujifunze mengi katika show ya mwaka huu. Sisi kama wadau wa line ya agriculture na jumla tunajua kwamba kilimo ndio uti wa mgongo wa nchi yetu ya Kenya. Kwa hivyo tungesihi na kuomba bajeti ambayo itasomwa siku ya kesho iwe imeangazia mambo ya kilimo, sana sana mbolea, mbegu na vile magonjwa ambayo yanaathiri mifugo yetu. Kwa hivyo tunatarajia kwamba katika ile percentage levels, Agriculture Department ipewe kifua mbele kwa sababu ndio kiinua mgongo wa nchi yetu ya Kenya.
That's the people that come in to the show, and therefore we seek and we sit here again to welcome all the residents, all the businesses, all the farmers from this region to our show that starts up from the 9th to the 13th. We've gone further just to look at our development for this particular facility. We've developed a master plan brief that is ready. And again, now we seek to align that brief, that development plan, with the overall county development plan, so that then we can, in terms of engagements, we'll look at what is it, the investments that we can bring again to this particular facility. And some of the areas, investments we're looking at, sports training hub across in this showground. We're looking at retail and office. We're looking at light and offensive industries, among others. And therefore, we are at an advanced stage in engage the county leadership so that we look at what is it that they are doing in the overall county development plan, align with what we have as ASK, so that then we can develop this facility and get a satellite city, a city of some nature, then that supports businesses, again, in Kisii County. Karibuni sana kwa maonyesho ya kilimo hapa Kisii Showground.
Ni Fred Onundu, the Chair Marketing, Publicity and Membership. Na mimi nichukue nafasi hii kuwakaribisha nyote katika maonyesho ya mwaka huu. Tutaanza kuanzia mwezi Julai, tarehe 10 hadi 13. Ya muhimu sana, walimu, wanafunzi na wazazi, tunachukua nafasi hii kuwakaribisha kwa sababu maonyesho yetu tuko na mtaala mpya wa CBC, wakuje hapa wasome, na hapa itakuwa ni practical kabisa yenye inapatikana katika show yetu. Kwa upande wa watoto tumeketa mambo yao vizuri sana, tutakuwa na fun fair.